Okay, so next problem can be asked on Lami's theorem. It's somewhat like this. Please check the problem. If the cords suspend the two buckets, these are the cords which suspend the two bucket A and bucket B, which are in equilibrium position as shown in figure. This is in equilibrium position, so we can directly apply the conditions of equilibrium. Summation of f of x is equals to 0, summation of f of y is equals to 0, and summation of moments will be 0. Determine the weight of bucket B. We don't know the weight of this bucket, so determine the weight of bucket B, WB, where the bucket A has 60 Newton weight. Where this bucket A has 60 Newton weight. This diagram is given. So here you can check. This is point F. This is point C. So at point F, how many forces are acting? Number 1, this is in downward direction because bucket A has 60 Newton. This will be a TFC or tension in the cord. This will be a TEF. Similarly at point C, we'll have 3 forces. This will be TFC. This will be the weight of bucket B, and this will be the tension in the cord CD. So as this is the cords will have tensile force or tensile force. So tension force is always in opposite from the body or away from the body. Okay, this is very simple problem. Generally it is asked for 6 to 8 marks. So what we have to do is, here we have two key points. Number 1 is F point and number 2 is C point. So first of all we have to take the FBD at point F, then we'll take the FBD at point C. So if I take the FBD at point F, so at point F, here you can write FBD of F. Okay, if this is 40, this is 20, magnitudes are given 60 Newton. So here we can directly apply the Lami's theorem. Okay, no doubt. So at point F, how many forces are acting at point F? There is a self weight of bucket A, that is 60 Newton in downward direction. Self weight is in downward direction, 60 Newton. Okay. Next, this is the cord FC. So tension is always away from the body. So this will be TFC. TFC means tension in cord FC. Angle is given 20. And this is another cord EF. So again there will be tension in cord EF. So TEF angle is given 40 degree. Okay. So 3 forces are acting at point F. So this is F point. Okay. Similarly, we can have FBD for point C. FBD of point C. At point C there is a self weight that we don't know. So we can denote it by WB. You keep it as it is. Next, there is a cord CD. So there will be tension in cord CD. So tension means always away from the body. This will be tension in CD. Angle is given 65. There is another cord FC. There is another cord FC. So there will be another tension in the cord FC. So this will be TFC. Now if this angle is 20 degree, this angle will be 20 degree. So this angle will be 20. So magnitudes are known, the angles are given. Okay, no doubt. Okay, remember one thing, if there are 3 forces, we can directly apply the Lami's theorem. But if there is more than 3 forces, we will apply the conditions of equilibrium. Very simple. Okay, so first of all we'll have FBD of C, then we have FBD of C, F and C. So here we have 1, 2 and 3 forces, we can apply Lami's theorem. So by Lami's theorem. So what is the Lami's theorem? This 60 divided by sine of angle between the remaining two. So this total angle will be 180. So 180 minus 20, 160. 160 minus 40 is 120. So sine of 120 is equals to TFC divided by this angle is 90 plus 40. So sine 130 is equals to TEF divided by this angle is 110, 90 plus 20, so sine 110. So if you solve this, you will find TFC is equals to, and TEF is equals to, so TEF is coming 65.1 Newton, TFC is 53.07 Newton. So this is your answer. Similarly, how many forces are acting at point C? 1, 2 and 3. 3 forces. We can apply Lami's theorem. So by Lami's theorem, so first of all you will take WB divided by sine of angle between remaining these two. So this angle will be 180 minus 65. So this will be 115. 115 plus 20, 135, sine 135 is equals to TCD divided by sine of angle between these two. So 90 minus 20 is 70. TFC divided by sine of angle between these two, 90 plus 65, 155. But we have already calculated the value of TFC. TFC is nothing but 53.07. You put this value here. TFC is equals to 53.07. So this value is 53.07 Newton. Okay. So if this is 53.07, find out the value of WB, find out the value of TCD. So TCD, WB is coming 88.79. Sorry, this is 88.79 Newton. So what we have to find out is, find out the weight of bucket B. So weight of bucket B is equals to 88.79 Newton.